Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load Onlinefix64 dynamic link library error on Windows. So thank you for us provide this article so we can use this method. And here, first method, you can check if Windows Defender delays the file. So here, in order to check it, you can go to Windows Security by click the system tray. There's a shield icon, you can double click. And here, this is the Windows Security. There's a protection history option. Tap it or click it, sorry, and then click filters and access quarantined items. So here, if there is Onlinefix64 dynamic link library file in here, so you can try to restore the file. And next, for the when you try to install the game or play the game, you can try to disable your antivirus first. So it's very easy. You can click on virus threat protection in Windows Security, of course. Click on manage setting under virus and threat protection settings. Now you can turn off real-time protection. And next, you can reinstall. So you can reinstall the game or the program that contain Onlinefix dynamic link library error, or you can do manual file replacement. So you can find Onlinefix.dll manually, for example from dllme.com, a trusted site to download dynamic link library file type. So you can download it and put into a folder that contain DLL or Onlinefix.dll original located. And next, the last method, in you can run SFC or system file checker. So here, in order to do that, you can try to open CMD. You can type CMD. Now this is the command prompt. Click run as administrator. So you can type SFC space #scan now. So this command will try to fix missing or corrupted file on your system. After that, restart your PC. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And click the button below. See you in the next video.